Hello again. Now that we've set up our services, it's time to configure payment methods so customers can choose whether to pay online or in person. Let's go to Settings, then click on E-commerce Settings. Next, click on Payment. Here, we'll disable invoicing and enable Pay on Location, which allows customers to select an option at checkout for in-person payments. We'll also enable PayPal as our online payment method. Simply enter your PayPal email address, and that's it. Your PayPal account is now connected to your website. For an in-depth walkthrough of payment methods, check out our video series on creating an online store. Now, let's see how these payment options appear in the cart. We'll go back to our page, book an appointment, and proceed to complete the booking. In the cart, after entering their details, customers will now see the option to pay on-site or pay via PayPal, then confirm their booking. We also have the flexibility to customize the wording to better match our business. Let's see how to do that. Go to Settings, then select Translations. Here, we'll search for the terms we want to update. We'll replace on location with at the studio to better reflect our business. Next, we'll update complete order and replace it with confirm booking for a more intuitive checkout process. And that's it. Our payment setup is now complete and customized to fit our needs. In the next video, we'll go over how to manage our bookings and appointments. See you there.